Bit cooler now.
Aye, that was a lovely ice cream again. Thank you, Alec.
Are you videoing?
Huh?
Hello everybody.
I'm videoing. Yeah, up you come.
Right. Road's a bit quieter now.
Right.
Still a lot of bikes outside the Green Valley.
Is there?
Aye. A lot of people getting ripped off.
Ah, fair play to them. It's not us anyway. Alright, fair amount of bikers there.
This place must be a bit system already.
Oh, definitely. Aye, the wee Honda that proved its worth all last week.
Absolutely.
I love taking the bike to work to do.
Yeah.
Oh aye. Especially in the mornings, you know, when it's really busy going in. Like this week with the Highland Show and that being on, you know.
That's a nightmare, that.
Aye. Everything was coming along with 71. First day on Friday, and it was just rammed there. Trucks and buses, everything, you name it, coaches, a lot.
Now this is taking us, is it?
Mine's just saying turn left, but mind we went straight on the last time we went down the 82.
Oh, let's see.
It's up to you. Look at that to the left, Alec, that's cracking now.
Oh, it's nice, eh?
Hello Gulf petrol station, it's no longer a petrol station.
Shame, eh?
Aye. Aye, it is a shame.
Why is he braking? Just fucking...
That's a bit silly, eh?
That was a bit stupid, wasn't it? Eh?
Aye.
All these straight roads, he sits behind him and all of a sudden a fucking windy and twisty road.
It's a way.
That's so stupid.
Why is he braking constantly?
So,
That car in front, it constantly brakes.
no.
I just don't get it why they do that. There he is again. It's as if he's speeding up to hit a bend and then braking.
Drive the fucking car down the corner. Look, it's one chevron, it's a slight bend.
I know. But they're idiots, eh?
That boy that bike was a fucking idiot, right?
Well, they did take a bit of a chance on the bends, like the S bends.
That bike punched in the corner.
That's him on the brakes again. Flippin' heck. This is what it's all about, eh? Just getting out and enjoying yourself. I don't care about miles going on the bike, that's what it's there for. You could be dead tomorrow.
Definitely. That's about enjoying it actually, isn't it?
Aye. Get the visor open, get a bit of oxygen in.
That's a good idea. I could de-accelerate to any speed to the legal limit just by shutting the throttle off.
Aye, same here. It's all about planning.
So just fucking putting the brakes on and brakes on and off.
Exactly. We'll never go into that cafe again, eh? That one just up on the right hand side.
Really fucking shame, isn't it?
That was expensive. 13 quid for 2 cups of tea and 2 fucking, let's say, cake. Well, it wasn't even cake, it was like a biscuit. No, they know how to pull your pants down, eh? And slap your arse.
That's about a fiver for a cup of tea.
13
Bags
quid.
of hot water.
Aye, 13 quid for 2 cups of tea and 2 biscuits. That's just,
See, they'll get all these people going in there as well.
aye, that's just taking the mic out, like.
I'm just sitting there really well.
That's good. I'm 75.8. And what have you changed? Writing style?
Gears a bit. Well, the gears a bit quicker.
Uh-huh. And going back to your car, how are you finding sports mode?
That's what I'm saying to you. The car's actually running 10 times better.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what it will like in a long run.
You'll probably find it. It'll be better on fuel in the long run, because the Mini, that got 83 to the gallon, and it was in sports mode the entire time. And when I done the exact same trip last year, I was only getting 80, and that was in eco mode.
Here's a diesel, isn't it?
Aye. It was in eco mode with sluggish acceleration. And then it's in sports mode with quicker acceleration. I might actually just program the car so that every time it starts up it's default into sports mode. Eh? Can do that on my wee computer. Just plug it into the car. Now, this is cracking, eh? There's not even a lot of traffic.
No, that's a big difference, isn't it?
Yeah. It's nose to tail in traffic. That's just fucking horrible. 219 miles. I've got 93 mile left in the tank, so that's over 300 to the tank on the
I've now got
V Strom.
13,003 mile on the clock.
Oh, you missed your 13,000 anniversary then.
Like 3 mile. Oh, fucking hell, man.
Aye, so this V Strom, it will do over 300 to the tank. I guess 280. But that's riding it nicely, of course. If you ride it like a bell end, you're not going to get 300 to the tank, are you?
I've got 2 bars left.
So have I. But I've got one white bar and one red bar. And it's done
123 mile left.
76.5 miles to the gallon. 76.5 mile to the gallon.
That's amazing.
That is good, eh?
He stops for fucking 10 minutes.
Aye, same here.
Go to this.
No, just to stretch my legs, eh? Abandoned wee house, that. A bit close to the road for my comfort, like.
What's that?
That wee house in the corner there, eh? Abandoned, all boarded up.
I've seen it.
A bit too close to the road, that's probably why it's abandoned, eh? Aye, we'll get into the services at Kildare and get a wee stretch.
Keep roundabout clear, does that mean you don't want it?
Aye, we're obviously setting something up, God knows what's happening. Get this visor open for some oxygen. Even the motorway's quiet.
What, still warm, mate?
It is 23 degrees for 7:30 at night. 7:30 at night and it's 23 degrees. Happy days. Find the hole. What you got in there for, you dafty?
Really?
Yeah?
Where are you?
I came in the right way.
Oh, you bastard. Stop bird shit in my box.
They've got this space that I just came into, right? They've got a thing on the ground saying electric cars, right? Look. Look.
You got to charge them.
Electric cars.
Hey, charger.
Where's the charger?
It's coming in the future.
Honest to God, man. If you've got an electric car, you can park here. Fuck right off. Right, let's get a wee stretch. 76.5 miles to the gallon. That's today's trip. 226 miles so far. It's 76.5. Happy days.
Hey, Carlo. Sure.
What are you saying?
I just about to hey, Carlo. Where's Sean?
Sean's behind you. I went through the bollards, eh? First bit of motorway all day. Well, no, we did do a wee bit on the motorway, yeah, coming here. Well, that was another blast on the motorway.
62 miles a gallon since we left Stirling.
Mine's has dropped into 73.8 because of that. Because of that blast on the motorway, eh?
Your engine light probably better, eh?
It doesn't like it when
Right.
you open it up. Well, the consumption anyway.
Even slow. Fucking 60 miles a gallon's brilliant.
Aye. Well, what were you averaging on the way up there? 71? That was 76.
I'll let you look at it when I get back because I'm going to take him off the cradle and get all the weight out, eh?
Right.
Which the holes.
The holes.
That's a bit fucking dodgy, isn't it?
Well, I suppose, you can't predict where you're going to break down, eh?
I know, but if you come up with something in the parts at the traffic lights, you're not going to get across the bridge, are you?
Nah.
But the chances of that happening are fucking pretty high.
It has been raining here, like.
Looks like it, eh?
Aye. Visor open. Aye, it certainly has. Aye, it has been raining. So we've been lucky and we've avoided it.
Fucking right. It's out of the rust, right?
Aye, because this is open, eh?
Right, drying up. I hate this bit.
Aye, it's a bad junction, like.
Right.
Well, that's another one done.
Yep, absolutely brilliant, Sean.
254 miles I've done so far.
I've done 254. Say 260 by the time I get back.
Aye, and I'll probably be the same by the time I get back.
Fucking superb. Good day, eh?
Yep.
Right, Drive carefully.
Alright, right, I'll catch you later.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Okay, see you later.
Bye.
Cheers, Sean. Bye-bye. Bye.